experiment. Do you think you can catch the air? No. Do you think air has the weight? So let's see it with a simple experiment. For this experiment, we need a stick and a rope. I have tied like this. See? And we need some tea balloons, one thread. That's it, let's get started. First, take the balloon and tie it with the thread. Start blowing. Take the another balloon and blow it. Now tie both the balloons at the end of the stick.